Hi everyone, I am excited to introduce you Dr. Poushikavasa. She is from Coimbatore Medical College and she has got a rank of 117 in this year NEET PG. She is an exclusive DAMS student. She has taken classes face-to-face student at Coimbatore Center. So how do you feel, Dr. Poushika?
So this moment I feel really happy, sir, because I never expected this rank. But then I believed in me. I start last 15 days of my exam. I started believing in me. I was telling myself that yes, I'm going to get this. I want a good rank. I kept telling it to myself, and I believe that okay, even if I'm knowing the question or not, I have worked through it. I have worked through my main notes. My content was really good. I was strong at my content. So I stopped doubting myself, sir. I started putting confidence in me, in my options, in my gut feeling. I started believing in me. That really helped because I missed all of this during my INICET preparation, sir.
So you said your content was very good. So how did you prepare your content? So you started from post internship, right? After your
Yes.
internship.
Yes.
So how did you build up on your content?
Sir, I attended the classes, I made main notes, and I revised the main notes multiple times. I didn't have that fear that, okay, am I missing out on content? No, I just kept reading my main notes even till the last date. I didn't sort out for any revision material, something like that. I focused on the main notes, the pages which I forget, the classifications which I forget. I only looked onto those. I didn't go for new material every time.
Okay, so that's good that you stuck with the notes and that has given you very good fruits.
Yes.
What about as you said you did not go for any revision? Did you take DVT?
Sir, I did DVT, sir. Like after completing my main notes, the night before I sleep, I'll just flip through the pages of DVT and make sure my revision is better, sir. I
Okay.
I didn't want to miss out on the important points. So before sleep, I'll just flip through the pages of DVT and keep those points registered in me. That's how I finished DVT, sir. Not for all subjects, but like for 10 to 11 subjects, I completed DVT, sir.
Okay, so now how satisfied are you? Like, how many percent of questions, if I just want to know, came from your content that you had, that is your class notes and the DVT that you did?
Sir, out of 200, nearly 182 to 183 questions were from the things that I read.
That's very good. So if you had got all of them correct, anyone who had got all of them correct would have been rank one. That is
Yes.
what would have been your
But then
scores,
I
basic.
had silly mistakes there, sir. But then so
Uh,
many
uh,
questions were from main notes only, sir.
Okay, so that's good. So all students just keep trusting your notes, whatever notes you are writing. Most of the questions are going to come from that. Don't worry about it. Then what about DAMS also conducts CBTs? Did you give CBTs and how was it?
Sir, I attended all CBTs of DAMS because in a certain ways, if I'm trying for GTs on some other app, I'll get a low score and I'll be demotivated. I'll be like, okay, I'll have so much to learn and I'll start reading my main notes. But then CBT, it gives me a wholesome idea on how should I manage my time, the amount of PYQs there, everything that gave me an insight about the real exam. Actually, it simulated the real exam, CBT. The final CBT I gave, I went to the center in person despite it being nearly like 120 kilometers from my home. It took me a day. The entire day I spent for giving CBT. But then that new place, the exam thing there, it all simulated the original exam, sir.
And what were your rank or scores in the CBTs that you gave?
So the final CBT I gave, I got rank around 33, sir, out of all students who attended. And in NEET, it turned out to be 117, sir.
So pretty replicated the same rank in your actual NEET PG.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so then what about your grant tests? When did you start giving grant test and how was the journey with the grant tests?
So GTs I started giving in January this year, sir. But then initial 3 months, I didn't review it properly. I'll give GT, but then I'll not review it properly. I'll just look for how much I've got correct, how much I've given wrong. I'll only focus on that, not the mistakes. But then after INICET, I started focusing only on mistakes. I'll not be worried, even if I'm getting 140 correct, I'll not be worried. but then I'll make sure I'm not getting the remaining 60 wrong. So I'll repeatedly see basically I did my wrong diary after INICET, sir. That helped.
That's good. Wrong diary is very, very important for your preparation for NEET PG.
Yes, sir. And I
So,
made a wrong diary of all CBT questions, sir. I compiled only CBTs and mock GTs separately, sir. And lastly, like last 3 days before my exam, I kept revising it.
okay. And if you were to recommend anything to your juniors who have finished their internship now and started preparing or still wondering how to prepare because they would have given an attempt just after internship, what would be your advice to them?
Sir, there's enough time. Actually speaking, for me, now I've got, okay, this is how I should prepare. Now I feel like 5 to 6 months time is more than enough for a very good preparation. 3 months you can focus on your main notes, your main videos and everything properly. We'll have to do the content, sir. In the initial part, we shouldn't rush for completing it sooner and resorting for something very short, something very crisp. Instead, do the main videos or main notes. That's far better because certain things keep popping up. When we see a question, it might not be in a revision notes, but from your classes, somewhere the answer comes out. So it's better we do the main notes first in the first 3 months, and then like after you complete like nearly 6 to 7 subjects, you'll have a confidence of giving GTs, sir. Then we can start giving GTs. Most importantly, reviewing the GT. It's not about how many GTs. It's about even if it is 5 GTs, reviewing those 5 GTs will help.
Okay, so that's a very good advice to all of you, those who are listening, that your preparation should have start with the content first and then follow it up with the tests and all the exams that you are talking about. Just to ask on your personal note, what will be your future endeavors? What you're planning to take up and dream branch, etc.?
Sir, I'm interested in both general medicine and pediatrics, sir.
Okay.
But then I'm so not very decisive of it at the moment. But either both of any one out of this, sir.
That's very good. Both of them are very good branches. So I would wish you best of luck for your future endeavors. And once again, congratulations from the whole DAMS family, all the DAMS faculty, and all the DAMS staff, including the local coordinators from Coimbatore Center. Congratulations. Best wishes for your future.
Thank you, sir. I'll also like to thank the entire team of DAMS, the Telegram groups, Deepthi ma'am, Sumesh sir, and all of you, sir. All of you, you guided us till the end. Whenever I feel like very low, I'll go to Telegram. Something will keep coming on the Telegram groups. They'll be like, yes, you can start at this moment, this point. It will change things. And yeah, it changed.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll convey all your regards to all the faculties. Thank you.
Sir.